Hello, how are you all? I'm going to show you what is the safest way to install the WhatsApp application. Application in case the Google Play Store tells you that your mobile device is not compatible with the current version. In this case, to do it in the safest way, what we are going to do is basically the following. We are going to go to the WhatsApp homepage, which is whatsapp.com, which we are going to access from our phone's web browser. Once we are on the WhatsApp homepage, what we are going to do is the following. We slide until we get to the bottom of the page, and here we are going to touch, in this case, where it says Android. We will see that we have the option to download it from the Google Play Store, but in this case, if your device is not compatible and if we pay attention, we are going to have the option to download the APK already updated to the most recent version found in the Google Play Store. We simply go to tap where it says Package Installer, and we see that in this case it is already downloading the APK from the main source, which in this case is whatsapp.com. In this way, when we click on Update, in my case or in your case would be to install. And as I already have the beta version of WhatsApp, will not allow me to install this package as it corresponds to the official version, and I use the trial version which is available in the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, in the beta tester section. So well, this way it's the most recommended to be able to install the APK of WhatsApp in case you can't download it from the Google Play Store, simply by going to the main source. So well, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and see you in the next video. See you later.